Hello, dear viewers. Today I am going to discuss a very different matter that is happening or was happening in India. And the topic is pregnancy tourism in India. So, what is pregnancy tourism? The pregnancy tourism refers to people traveling to conceive or become pregnant abroad. In India, it is linked to the Brokpa community of Ladakh, believed to be the pure Aryan descent. So when I come to know all about that, then I am searching at the internet and then find that in Ladakh there are some villages like Da Hanu, Darchik, Garkon, Bhima, and the Brokpa community is living there, where the foreigners, mostly Europeans, women, reportedly travel to conceive with Brokpa men. Some foreign women came to conceive with the Brokpa man for Aryan traits. Men may receive a compensation. The men were given sound remuneration for helping the foreign woman to become pregnant. The phenomenon is sometimes marketed as tourism. But interestingly, when the word tourism is added with the pregnancy procedure, it has achieved some sort of different issues. Basically, the pregnancy tourism is rooted in myths of genetic purity, and nowadays the people are criticizing this type of concept of pregnancy tourism because due to the lack of verified evidence, genetic claims of pure Aryans are disputed, raises ethical issues, exploitation, consent, and racial essentialism, possibility engaged for tourism marketing. All these factors has created some sort of criticism in this topic of pregnancy tourism. So there is not a very good base that only because of the Aryan race, the European women are deliberately came to Ladakh to become pregnant. So it's a very interesting matter. I will discuss all about this in another video. So till then, bye bye.